that incident. And if we talk about the means recent government like the Congress government means we attacked the 26/11 attack on the Mumbai Taj Hotel, but there was no actions against the Pakistan. But the Modi government acted decisions and they sent the soldiers. And the main point is what that means after means return the soldiers means there is no foreign country objection against the surgical strike that you did some things and means no was opposition in the for opposition for the India. So that was the very good decisions of the Modi government. And now I would like to discuss the second of the Ram Mandir. So that was the second means Modi government also means that was the pending is before the long time and there was
Carry on.
so that was the rights in the recent time, but there was still pending the decisions, and I don't think that any prime minister or any government took decision on that point. But the Modi government means take the decision in the courts and they were the favor of the and the decisions came in the favor of the Ram Mandir means that was not the unfair decision because the archaeological survey was happened and they find the proof of that was the proof of the Ram Janmabhoomi, so they decided, so that was also the very good decision of the Modi government. And I would like to third point of the EWS, the economical weaker section, because I never heard after the independence that any government think out the reservation because the reservation was the fixed the caste based reservation, but the Modi government take the economical based reservation and that is the needed for the country's people. And under that means most of the 80 or 90% general category people under that scheme of the EWS category. So that was the very beneficial for the country, and that was the means that decision. I don't think that anyone will be talk about the reservation in the future because of the vote bank. But the Modi government did happen, and another case of the corruption. Because of the under the corruption, there is the no minister of the Modi government come in the corruption field because we don't heard about any corruption charge.
Okay. Have breath. Now, Priya.
Good evening, everyone. I am Priya Sharma, and I am opposing the Adhish that I don't support the Namo government. And first of all, I would like to tell that the yes, Uri strike was a good decision, but not it is related to the Narendra Modi soldier, military, army, armed forces did it for our country, and I think we should praise them, not Narendra Modi. And if you talk about the corruption, so first of all, I would like to tell about the demonetization. When demonetization introduced, the three main object of the Narendra Modi, Mr. Narendra Modi, was that first of all, the demonetization will reduce terrorism. Second, the demonetization will come back will take our black money, and the third, it will decrease our corruption. On none of three object was fulfilled because after the demonetization, our India lose 3 points in the international corruption index, and we are in the most corrupted country in the world. And if you talk about the terrorism, it is increasing day by day. And black money, so I think we should not talk about it because no black money is returned to our India, and the promise that Narendra Modi was made that it will deposit 15 lakhs of rupees every citizen. that promise was also fake. And if you say that why people are voting Narendra Modi, if he is that much of bad, or if he is not doing a good work, then why people are voting Narendra Modi? And I have answer of this question also, because we don't have a
Better option.
we don't have a strong opposition, and the frustrated people are also voting Narendra Modi because of this. Because of we have no option. And if you talk about the COVID-19 situation, I am not saying that we should be that much advanced that we can develop a vaccine of coronavirus, but the migrant labor hunger. Beggar was the NGOs, social worker, and the local people. And you know what I have seen it that there were many gurudwaras. They were providing food for the laborers and the hunger people, needy people, because everyone lost their job. So the party's member collect the packet of food and applied the slip of their party and distributing it and clicking a photo that we are providing food. But they did nothing, and the scheme that PM Modi scheme, this is not a scheme, this is a scam actually. The
Wonderful.
PM Modi public fund, where people was just thinking that this is a sensitive point, we should take part on it, we should donate some money for these type of people, because actually this is sensitive time. People did donation, a lot of money collected in that fund, and when opposition asked where you use this money, and then RTI said that this is not belong to public domain, this is belong to private domain, when the name of that was a Prime Minister Narendra Modi related to public fund, then how can it be a private domain? How can it belong to a private domain if he actually used it for a worker